Hi, welcome to Cooking with Mom. I'm Angie.
I'm Parker. I'm Preston, and we're the Justtwobrosin.
And we're going to make monkey bread for you. A quick and easy monkey bread. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Let's get to it.
Monkey bread is when you have cinnamon rolls or muffins, and you put spread into your pan, and then you get butter and sugar and Nutrigrain masala or condensed milk, and then you put them in straight into the oven. My favorite part is the ooey gooey middle.
Ooey gooey middle?
Yes.
All that yummy condensed milk just dripping everywhere. Oh. That's a little scary, but the monkey bread part, yeah, don't do that. That's scary. We don't want to scare people. We want people to enjoy the monkey bread. Okay, so the next thing is the ingredients. What are the ingredients that we need, guys?
First, we need the cinnamon rolls that are in the refrigerator. Cooking spray.
To spray the pan, and the condensed milk to drizzle all over the cinnamon rolls.
There they are. First, we have to bang them.
Oh, we don't bang them first. One thing at a time. We gotta show everyone. We're using the
Pillsbury.
delicious cinnamon rolls.
First, you have to look for this little slot that's right here. It should be at the top or bottom of your can.
Look, Parker, this is how the can should look. Okay, you gotta keep ripping it all the way.
Time to pop the cans. Bang, 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 bang.
There we go.
I got it.
Actually hit the can first.
Boom. Hit, 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 hit. There it is.
Finally,
On the
you
top.
just popped it in a different way. Okay, so let's put these aside for 1 second. Okay, now we need to spray our tin, our muffin tin. Spray our tin.
We're not doing it in the sink, but you guys at home should do it in your sink.
Yes, so you don't get spray all over your kitchen.
We do that so the cinnamon rolls don't get stuck to the bottom of the tin. And then when we try to get them off, we can't if we don't put that on. But when we put this on, it's easier to take them out of the tin. Well, at least nothing will stick to our kitchen counter.
Okay, next up, we need to cut the cinnamon rolls into little pieces. So Preston, can you hand me a cutting board? And Parker, can you get me the red knife?
Okay, so we have this little jar here which holds all of our cutting boards. And we're gonna get the black one. It's a little scratched up, but that's okay. So, the red knife right here. Here you go, Mom.
Thank you. Okay guys, let's set the biscuits up here. So on the cutting board.
Here, you can set those up. I'll set these up. Mom, this is the top, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
Up.
Yep.
Alright. It's in.
Okay, since we are using condensed milk, we don't need the icing that came with the package. But are we throwing that away, guys?
No.
No, that would be a sacrilege. We are going to save
The yummy icing.
the yummy icing and we'll use it for another recipe.
Yep.
So next up, we need to cut the cinnamon rolls. If you don't want to use a knife, you can totally just pull them apart into little pieces. It's a good activity for the kids, but we want to eat these quickly, right?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna just chop them up. Safety knife, safety always first.
Chop, 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 chop.
Just gonna cut these up into forks. Okay, it's time to put them in the pan. We're not gonna grab them all and put them like that. Since we cut them, we're just gonna drop them like, just like that.
They smell so good.
Yes, they do.
1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 3, 2, 3, 4.
Next up, we are going to open the condensed milk, but I had an idea. Instead of using this can opener, we're gonna use the other can opener. This one, so that we can drizzle right from the can. I'll just put this in the sink and rinse off my finger for a second.
Looks good.
Okay, and we're going to drizzle right from the can, but I'm gonna do that so we don't make a mess. You could also open the can all the way around with the regular can opener and use a spoon and drizzle it on. We will not be using the full can. Okay, let's just finish these all up. Oops. Okay, last one. I'm putting about a tablespoon pressed in
Yay.
of condensed milk in each little muffin space. We are done pouring the condensed milk. Like I said, I used about a tablespoon in each little space. You still have about 3/4 of the can left. Tons of good uses.
Mom,
Yes.
can we just have 1 spoon? Please. Please.
Okay.
Okay, I'll get the spoons.
Okay.
This one and that one. Here is your spoon. What? That's easy.
I don't think so, Preston. You silly goose. A regular spoon. Go.
Wah.
Hey.
That's so happy. Ah, that's heaven right there.
There you go. Enjoy.
I'm in heaven.
There's your little pre-cinnamon monkey bread treat. Okay. Just clean the edge.
Yum, I can then smell.
No. Okay, and we're ready to put it in the oven. Okay, open it up, guys. Okay, close it up. We had preheated the oven to 350 degrees, and we're gonna wait about 15 minutes for them, and we might have yummy goodness in 15 minutes.
Wait, hold up.
Yes.
15 minutes is too long. I can't wait that long. They're too yummy.
A few minutes have passed by. Let me see how these are doing. Wow, they are rising nicely, guys. Okay, guys, it's time to get them out of the oven.
We're coming.
You ready?
Yep, we're right there.
Okay, be careful because it's very hot.
I just saw the steam. Made a shadow.
Ooh, can you close the oven, Preston?
Yes, I can.
Okay.
Ooh.
They're nice and toasty.
What is that?
We are going to drizzle them with a little more condensed milk that I had put aside here already from the can. Just a little bit.
Not too much. Just a little bit.
Just a little drizzle.
All of that goodness.
All of that goodness for our yummy monkey. Okay, that's it. We're gonna let them cool off, and then, like the boys like to say, what are you gonna have this for?
Lunch dessert.
Lunch dessert.
I call this one. It's mine.
I call that one. Okay, they are ready to go. I'm gonna call our little monkeys. Parker, Preston, let's go!
Yay! Here.
That was quick. Okay, let me pop
Where's
them
mine?
out.
Where's mine? Where's mine?
I'm gonna pop them out.
My monkey bread.
Wait,
Wait, 2? 2 for each?
one for each of you. What do you mean 2 for each?
Oh, we should
Try them. Let me know what you think.
That was mine. Okay. Too good. Thank you. For the best.
You're welcome. Are they yummy?
Too yummy.
I'm glad you guys love them so much because Mommy made one mistake.
What?
We weren't supposed to put the condensed milk before we baked them. It's after.
Oh my god.
Oopsie. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining us on our first Cooking with Mom episode.
This was very fun. If you like this video, give it a like and share it. And make sure to subscribe to this channel because we have a lot of cooking coming up.
Well, that's it.
And we'll see you on the next one. Mommy, can we have one more?
Oh my goodness. Okay, which one do you want?
That one.
That one? Okay. Parker, which one do you want?
This one. Right there.
I guess you guys didn't mind that they're a little chewier and crunchier, huh?
No, we did not mind.